Alexa, turn on the Videocon D2H. Alexa, turn on the AC. Hey, what's up guys, Satish here and welcome to my channel. Smart home is becoming more and more popular, and there are so many tech gadgets to make your home a smart home with least effort. Recently, I come across this company called Smart Home, and one of the products that I got chance to look at is called OakRemote. OakRemote is plugged smart universal remote that works like magic with just voice commands in replacement of using typical remote controllers for your TV, AC, and even set-top boxes. I will definitely show you how this product works in detail, but before that, let's unbox and see the product. As you can see, the package predominantly promotes Google and Alexa's voice commands. The MRP on box is 4,490, but you can get this product for just 1,499. Find the link to buy in the description below. As we open, we see a couple of guides. This seems more of instructional, and second seems to be more of promotional and support. Further, we have an USB cable, which is a standard USB cable. Next we get the OakRemote. It looks more like wireless earphones case, and on back we see QR code printed. Do not peel off this sticker as this is required to set up in further. And at last we see wall charger that is pre-bundled in this box. That's good to see. Well, this is compact and this device is going to be the replacement for all your infrared remotes. The build is made of plastic and has polished body on top, and as you can see, the logo is here, though it is not visible from all the angles. Surprisingly, the USB slot is not anywhere outside but placed here. We may have inconvenience, but this is one-time task as you connect and use it, so not to worry about that. We also see a physical button here in middle of this scanner sticker. As soon as you connect the USB cable, you will see the LED light indicator. OakRemote always requires stable Wi-Fi connection to function, so place it somewhere the Wi-Fi connection is reachable. Install the Okta app by searching Okta Smart Home on Google and iOS platforms. Later, just follow the instructions as provided. And at last, do not forget to install the OakRemote Smart Home under Alexa skills for voice commands. This is really crucial. Alexa, turn on the AC. Alexa, unmute. Alexa, switch the channel to 5. As you saw, with just voice commands, I could control all my home appliances in my room in replacement of remotes. I have been using OakRemote for several days and all the remotes are isolated as I haven't used them for a while. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. As you know, this is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.